ISO 19650 Part 4 is actually very important part in the series of ISO 19650 series. One of the key takeaways was the shift in mindset. So we began treating information as a core asset, not just a deliverable. So we have started integrating a structured review process aligned with the decision points A and B. The foundation for setting up the structured information delivery is getting started with the clearly defining the information requirements, especially OIR, EIR, and
Hi, I'm Shreedhar, part of Desapex's digital engineering team, focusing on helping our customers achieve the best of virtual construction and information management practices. Today, I'm here to talk about ISO 19650 Part 5, which primarily focuses on helping projects achieve security mindedness in their delivery methodology. This standard, though isolated, has its roots spread across the entire series of information management framework, thereby making this a very important aspect that every stakeholder in the project would need to be aware of and adhere to in the due course of the project. ISO 19650 Part 5 focuses on information security, while parts 1 to 4 covered planning, delivery, operations, and information exchange. ISO 19650 Part 5 introduces a risk-based approach to managing the information security on your projects. In short, this standard protects what matters the most: your people, your asset information, and your reputation. Attending the BSI training on Part 5 was truly a turning point for me. I was able to realize that security isn't just IT manager's job. It is shared across every stakeholder on the project. It is just like safety on a construction site. It is not just limited to the safety manager's responsibility, but rather it falls upon everybody's diligence to make sure that we are all coming back home safe. Some of the key takeaways from the Part 5 course from the BSI training was how to conduct a security triage to assess whether an asset or an information set is sensitive, and then the importance of having a security manager on a project, and also its requirement of having a detailed security management plan, and then how intertwined both the physical and the cyber security threat is. For example, having a model that is compromised in its security breaches so many levels wherein the access routes into a facility could be leaked, thereby causing a physical threat. So, what it summarizes is no matter how best of a BIM collaboration effort you may have on the project, if security management practices are not adhered to, then you are at big risk. At Desapex, we've taken significant steps to embody security mindedness across all of our services. We conduct security triage according to these frameworks guidelines to make sure that we identify the sensitivity of assets, its information, evaluate the risks, and develop risk response plans. Now that the policy and strategy has been developed, it is then to now actually implement on projects by configuring BIM environments, ensure that the security management plan is cascading into the supply chain by having supplier agreements, and allowing every stakeholder to be handheld to make sure that they are aware and delivering the projects in line with the security management plan. Desapex supports its clients using ISO 19650 Part 5 by developing a training and awareness sessions across its stakeholders, that is right from the architects or the projects team to the IT management team. And then developing a benchmark of the current practices within the organization against the ISO 19650 Part 5 and see the areas of improvements and develop a roadmap. Based on the gap assessment, we develop policies and frameworks that are aligned with ISO 19650 Part 5 to provide the best security management plans for their overall project delivery. Every security management plan that we create includes incident response procedures, supplier NDA clauses, and controls across physical, technical, and personal aspects. In a world where now digital project management is becoming more and more relevant, bringing in security measures is equally or even further more important in the overall project delivery methodology. So thereby, Desapex is not just set of BIM consultants, we are your information management consultants who can help you protect what matters the most. Let's build securely together.